everyone, I don't remember who requested me to do this, but we're gonna make the water bottle, the hot water bottle cover. So I have it here. I think it's the standard size. It comes in one size only. So it's like 10 inches and a quarter. I don't know if you're like that, but this is the technique how to do that. Basically, it's 6 inches wide. And then I'm going to go around. When I go around, you can take about half an inch. If you want to be for sure, you can do one and in the middle like that, and then you're going to fold it in half and you can cut. Let me show you like that. That's the center. Fold it right in the center that you just marked this way, and from here you can cut that out, so that way that you have the other side, and you know both sides are even, and you're going around and you're gonna cut. So this is the template for that. So from the top down in the center line, you're going to mark 6 inches. So the first one, you're going to find the fabric, you're going to cut one exactly like this. Let's do that. This one I got it long ago at Walmart. It's so good. It's like $1. You know, when someday you go to Walmart, it's hit or miss, everyone. So place it in here. Okay, so now you have one side. I just want to make sure that yours is straight or not. Very important. I'm very particular, everyone. I just have to make sure it's nice and straight like that. And so now I'm gonna cut this in half. Remember, the first thing you're gonna cut the hole after that, and then you can do this because you need the templates. So now you have two. So you put it in together like that. You're gonna pin, because when you cut, thing move. You can move, but fabric cannot move. Okay, so now on the top straight part right here, you're going to cut an extra 3 inches. So I did all three. It looks so nice. So I'm gonna put the one piece away just like that. Put it right there. And I have the two. Remember this piece we left in 3 inches? I like you to mark an inch and a half. The extra an inch and a half. And from that 1 inch and a half, you're gonna fold this in. You're gonna sew the straight line in, and then I would do another straight line here too. And then this one right here, we left an inch and a half. We're going to mark an inch and a half. So everyone, after I sew on the small one, the one on the top here, I only sew once down here. This one I don't. And the big one right here, and I sew the 2 lines, one here and then one here. You can do one side if you want to, but okay, let's bring this back in here. The one with the hole. Okay. The first thing you're going to place the small piece on the top, facing the wrong side up. Bring the second piece over, and this piece right here, you're going to overlap this one and make sure everything is neat. Everything made up so nice here. You go and sew everything in together. I would do a 1/4 of an inch and sew all around. Okay, everyone, after I finish sewing all around, that inside out is right here. That's the reason why I'm sewing it in here, and I sewed it in here because I don't want it flap to flap in and out when I put the water bottle in. You can check in my description. I'm going to upload the template so you can download. I think this is the standard size. It's the same everyone. So if you get your water bottle, the hot water bottle, and you measure the way that I did and see if it fit your. So this have an extra length, so when you fill with the water in here, it's good enough too. And if you want to, you can make it bigger on the side if you want, but I don't think the need of it. It's not so easy. I don't know. Mine have the extra thing in here. So, but most of the water bottle, it have that, just that, and that's it, right? It doesn't have the thing here. I bet it like for hang up or whatever. Okay, but that is it, everyone. Super easy to do. Everyone here watching this can do this too. Stay safe and take care, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please continue to support my channel. Like. When you watch the video, make sure you click on the like button. And if you're new to us, make sure you subscribe to the channel and watch the video to the end. Make sure you don't skip the ad. Just watch the ad for 30 seconds. Stay safe, everyone.